Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist practicing aesthetic medicine in Bangalore from the last 18 years. Permanent makeup is a trend which is catching up very quickly. It could be in the form of microblading for the eyebrows or lip tint, which is very common now. BB glow as well has come into the market. Let us understand about these treatments. Basically, with permanent makeup, you are using a tattoo pigment into the area wherever you want to desire to put the pigment. So for example, if a person has more sparse eyebrows and they desire to have a more darker eyebrows, you could use the technique of microblading or pigmentation, and the eyebrow could be redrawn to a more darker and more desirable shape. Similarly, if somebody had very dark lips, they could be using a lip tint to neutralize the pigment color in the lip. And permanent makeup or BB glow is something where the glow is applied. A blush-like pigment can be applied over the cheeks, and some lightening pigments can be applied over the tear trough area so that the skin appears more flushed and as if there is a makeup on the skin. In all these techniques, things that you have to be more forewarned about, they are where the needle is being introduced into your skin. You really want to make sure that the product is sterile, it is not being reused, and you want to make sure that the person who is doing the treatment is fully trained to do the treatment. And how do you make that out? You ask them for your certification, their qualifications, and then only you start doing the treatment. And remember to always ask for the before-after results, because once you have the tattoo pigment inside your skin, to get rid of it is very difficult, because usually when the microblading is done for the eyebrows, it lasts for a good 5 to 10 years. And if it is wrongly done, imagine then you'll have to stay with it for 5 to 10 years or invest in tattoo removal lasers, which are quite expensive and painful, to remove the pigment which has been deposited. So the most common side effect is a treatment gone wrong when the person doesn't know what they're doing. So make sure that you do your research properly before you get these procedures done. BB glow like makeup, it does not last as long as 5 years. It probably lasts 5 to 6 weeks, and then the pigment starts to fade away. Common infections like viral warts, molluscum, as well as bacterial infections are common. So make sure you're getting done in a hygienic place by a trained person, and this should be helping you to do these procedures. By and large, they're quite safe and they're quite trendy and catchy. A lot of dermatologists offer these treatments as well. So speak to your dermatologist to know more.